Business and Audio Enhancer presets. There is a Presets button on the Home tab. Click on it to view the list of presets. Select a preset to add parameters and effects of that preset to your effect list. Play or stream your audio and hear the difference. Continue watching for additional details on using the presets. The Presets button is on the Home tab. Click the button to see the list of preset options: restaurant, gym, foyer, retail, waiting room, and bass boost. Select a preset that matches your audio needs. Effects will be added to the effect list with parameters set to create the ideal sound for your playing audio. You can fine-tune any effect parameters using the sliders and inputs for each audio effect. Make sure that the power button is green on the Home tab, then play or stream your audio. You can create your own preset to use later. Click the Save button on the Home tab. In the dialog that opens, enter a preset name in the File Name field. Click Save. To load a previously saved preset, click the Load button on the Home tab. Select the .dfx file and click the Open button. For more DeskFX tutorials, please visit the address shown on your screen.